than even pharmaceutical interventions for blood glucose. Okay, so guar being a high soluble fiber can slow down the absorption of carbohydrates and actually control glucose, so it could actually be positive. There's also been positive influence on lipid profiles. Now this would be short.
Pretend I'm still cutting the nail. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend. Your nails really need some, but it's actually better from the first time I touched this feet. Used my coconut. Oh, my coconut might be a Fiji oil na lang. I'll do the other one.
He's got doogie.
Oh?
Pretty mirror, it's got doogie. Look, they've all gone wrecked up. Doogie.
You bring the washing in, huh? Then we'll fold it.
Oh, we'll take the rubbish now.
Will be after. And I'm all choked up and I can't find the words. Yeah, your nails. I better now would. We need to really keep the oil going on this feet because it's really dry. And the sun goes down.
The worst food additives that you can find on a label are usually weaved in along with other things that sound scary that aren't so bad. So we need to educate, we need to learn what these things are doing in our body so that we know what's truly good and what really we should be staying away from. So let's jump right in. The first one is red dye number 40. Now, your first red flag should be the fact that it's derived from petroleum.
Yes,
So
yes.
what are we putting in our body in the first place? But there's been a lot of interesting anecdotal links with red dye number 40, which is why it's heavily investigated right now. We've seen a lot of allergy issues, seen a lot of anecdotal reports of migraines, and a ton of mood and hyperactivity issues, especially in kiddos. Now, there was a study published in The Lancet that took a look at a lot of...
Relax na pre!
Taking a look at a